Today we're going to be making a very simple SPF hand cream using our Ivory Shea Butter, some coconut oil, essential oils, and our zinc oxide. What's great about this recipe is that there is no melting required, just whipping. This recipe is very simple. We're going to go by volume and not by weight. So you need 1 cup of shea butter, half a cup of coconut oil, and we're going to be putting them in a bowl and soften them up together. So I'm going to mash together shea butter and coconut oil until they're ready to whip. After whipping for 2 to 3 minutes until it's soft and fluffy, you want to add essential oils. Start with 10 drops and then go from there. You can add more if you like. So sometimes, depending on the weather outside and the temperature, you see tiny little grains in your whipped body butter, and they are from the shea butter. There is nothing to worry about. They're completely fine. It's just the weather makes the butter get a little bit grainy. It will not affect at all how good it is for your skin. To add SPF to this hand lotion, you simply add 1 tablespoon of zinc oxide. So make sure that when you put in the zinc oxide, you incorporate it with a spatula and you do not use your electric mixer right away, or the powder of the zinc will puff up. Now that we have incorporated the zinc oxide really well, now you can put it in your jars of choice. This SPF hand cream is ideal if you do a lot of gardening work, or if you drive, if your hands are exposed to sun a lot, because it is a lot easier to prevent sunspots than to treat them. So all you need is a little bit, and it spreads very easily, and my hand will be soft and protected from the sun.